Hi, my name is Sean and welcome to my house. Basically, we are looking for a modern luxury theme, and then we want to give our friends and family a wow feeling when you enter the house. We don't have any inspiration until we met Kason from Interior Times, and then he gave us a list of ideas on how we can do up our house. We actually went around sourcing for different ideas. I'm not going to name them, but they are one of the more popular ones. They don't follow up, and then the attitude-wise is not what we expect. And then we finally met Kason. He was the only one who came all the way to my parents' house to meet me. On that day, he already can give me a list of the things that he thinks that he can do for my house. To me, the best part is definitely the balcony. It's the chillax corner. When we took over the keys of this house, it was actually a room for the ex-owner to pray. And then we thought we had 3 rooms, and then 2 of the rooms, all the rooms are very small. So my wife actually wants it to be bigger for the master room. And then so we hacked it away and become 1. So we realized we need another guest room and of course another study room. So we found a spot with this aluminium glass panel to do up this study room. We thought that it would be quite a luxurious thing to do that with this aluminium glass panel. The entire process was quite torturing because there was circuit breaker involved. My education, he was very responsive. And of course, the entire work was stopped for basically a few months. And then he provided me with a lot of updates to stop me from thinking too much. Definitely, there are so many ideas in Singapore, and I have my reason for choosing him, for choosing the company. They are one of the best in Singapore, I think. They are under case trust as well, so that built up my trust in them. Bye!
Renopedia, the most engaging online renovation media.